Hey everyone, welcome back. JavaMentor.net here. In the previous tutorial, I showed you how to create your own class. And we created class book. Book has some attributes, it has some methods, and we created few instances of the book class, and that's it. But in today's video, I will show you one class that developers who developed Java programming language created. There are plenty of classes that are ingrained in Java programming language, and you can use those classes. The most famous one is a string class. And this, my dear viewers, is the object of the string class. But it's slightly weird. There is no keyword, there is no new keyword that we used here, right? So basically this is the way how to create instance of the string object. You can go new string, right? And then through the constructor you can pass the value of the string, which is some text, right? So this is the way to create instance of the string, and this is almost the same as this. There is one small difference regarding memory performance, but that's not important at all for now. So Java developer thought, okay, string is the most used class in Java, let's create some shortcut for string creation. And then that's how they ended up with this instead of this. So you don't need to write new keyword and to call a constructor of string. You just create string object this way. And if you control and click, you can see that string resides in Java-lang package, and it has some documentation. You can read here what is string all about, and you can see some fields that string has. You can see some constructors that string has. Plenty of methods here, down here, and you can even see how those methods are implemented, blah blah blah. Anyway, the point is that string is the class as everything else. So let's try to turn this. Let's try to create some string and then do something with that string. I will create some string S for practice with this awful name, and I will actually, let's give it a better name. Even better name is full name, because this is my full name. Okay, let's say that I want to convert my full name into big letters, uppercase. So how to do that? If we try just to system out print line my full name and we run our code, it won't be in uppercase, right? But if we say full name dot to uppercase and we run our code, then that's a uppercase representation of this string, right? We just called one method on the string. Now there are plenty of methods that are defined inside string class. I will just show you one more, and I will show you where to find the description of the rest of the gang, so you can find all of the methods, what are they doing, and so on and so on. So instead of to uppercase, I will just call substring method, and I will tell this substring method just skip first 7 letters and give me the rest of the string. So if we try to run our main method, okay, it will give me just my surname, but I could go even with, let's say, 13. So even my surname won't be full. You see? That's about how you can call some methods on the string, and where you can find the rest, the documentation of the rest, where you can just go Java docs and then type string, and actually the first link that pop up, you can see here. Constructors, then the list of the constructors. Method summary. This method is doing this, it has this parameter, it returns, if you click on the method, it will tell you, it returns this, it's throwing some error if you screw up something, and so on and so on. So you can find the documentation about all the methods here. One last thing before we wrap up. So take a look at this string. Today is a nice day. Java Mentor has a great education material. Okay, the point here is this part of the string. This is a special character in string, which means that this won't be printed. This is a special character, and after that special character it goes N, which means new line. So if we run our code, we can see that in line number 1 we have this, and line number 2 we have this. So this means new line. If after special character we say T, this is tab, so we will have space here. And the last important thing is, sometimes you really want to treat this like a normal string, so no special character or something. In that case, to escape that special character, this is an escaping mechanism. So if Java finds this character in front of any special character, it will be treated like a normal string or something. So if you run, you see now this is a normal character. This is not the only special character in Java. There are plenty others, like this one, for example. But I don't want to show you all special characters now. The point was to show you that there are some special characters, to show you one of them, how it works, and how to treat them like a regular string. Because when we learn about reading from a file, we will have something like this: downloads, and then slash, I don't know, spasoje, slash whatever, and then we want to treat this as a regular string, not as a special character. Okay, that's it. In the next video, we will learn, if you don't specify some variable or some attribute, what are the default values for those attributes and variables. See you in the next video.